What you're going to hear about today is nothing short of a miracle.
Greetings, everybody, and welcome back to this mostly empty classroom. For today's math lesson, you'll need your workbook again. We haven't used that in a couple lessons. Probably smart to have your multiplication grid out next to you, a sharp pencil, and then we'll finish up by having you go to IXL and show what you know. So let's start in the math workbook because we're taking what we know and we're going to bring it to the next level. We've been doing 2-digit by 1-digit for a while now. As a fourth grader, they want you to be able to do up to 4 on top and 1 down below. And we won't do that yet, but you'll pretty soon realize that if you can do 2 by 1, you can do any number by 1. And today we're going to do 3 on top, 1 down below. Let's start by heading to page 63 in your workbook.
At the top of 63 it says, solve using any method. Show your work. Draw an area model if necessary. So we're just going to use these for us to practice and explain how 3 on top and 1 down below works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip around just a little bit. I'm going to start with number 9 because it features a 5. And a lot of us might know our 5's timetables already. So again, this isn't much room to work with, so I'm going to rewrite it. 218 times 5. All right, so if you've made it this far, then you probably know that 218 or 18 times 5 we can do because we've just done that the past week. So adding one more is just one extra step. So let me show you. Our first move, pretend like that 2's not there. Our first move is going to be the 5 times the 8. And 5 times 8 is going to be 40. 4 up top, 0 down below. Next move, 5 times 1. And then we'll add this guy onto the end. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 more is 9. Okay? Now our next move, we just keep working our way across. 5 times 2 is 10, nothing else to hang it on, so I bring the whole 10 down here. 1,090. Okay? Again, we're not going to have you finish this whole page. I'm going to have you do your work in IXL so that you can show us and have it be easier to turn in. But I will. Let's do number 10 together. Check it out. I found one that's got a 2 on it. So let's start by doing 612 times 2. Okay? So I'm going to go slow on this one, and you're going to go along with me and then see if we get the same answer. So I'll start. First move is going to be 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Nothing to put up top, so just a straight 4. Next move is going to be the 2 times the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Again, nothing to put up top. Next move is going to be, you guessed it, 2 times the 6. And 2 times 6 is 12. Nothing to put the 1 up there, so the whole 12 comes down below. So it goes this one, this one, this one, and you guessed it. If this number was bigger, if it was like a 1 and a 3, it would just keep on going over and over and over again. So once you know this pattern of what to do, you could really do a number with any amount on top. You could have 50 numbers on top, 1 down below, and you would just keep working your way across.
Okay, that was some good practice. If you're feeling pretty confident about that now, go ahead and click on the link and head to IXL. You'll see we've starred a new skill for you to work on. If it's faster for you to punch in the number or the letter code is W9X. If you just get into IXL, search W9X, it'll take you to the skill with 3 on top, 1 down below. And again, once you've got it turned in, if you want to turn it in Seesaw, you do so by letting us know your score. Go for it. Good luck.